In a quiet town where buses rarely stopped and dreams often did, there lived a boy named Armaan. The town was small, not small in size, small in belief. People there didn't chase dreams, they chased survival. Every evening, the tea stalls were full of the same conversations. Life is hard. There are no opportunities. It is what it is. Armaan heard these words every day. His father owned a small repair shop. His mother managed the home carefully, stretching every coin like it was elastic. Armaan was different. Not louder, not smarter, just different. He used to sit on the terrace at night and look at the distant highway lights. Those lights felt like another world, a world moving forward, while his town stood still. One day, Armaan received an email. A small company in a big city had selected him for an internship. It wasn't a big job, it didn't pay much, but it was a door. His friends were excited. "You're lucky," they said. "Leave this place." His father stayed quiet. That night at dinner, his father finally spoke. "If you go, don't come back saying the world is unfair." Armaan understood what that meant. His father had once left too, years ago. He returned with nothing but silence. For days, Armaan walked through the town, the old barber shop, the broken cinema hall, the empty playground. Everything felt small, but also familiar. He imagined himself in the city. Tall buildings, fast people, bright offices. He imagined failure too. Lonely rooms, rejected applications, silent phone calls, home. Fear followed him everywhere. Then something unexpected happened. The repair shop caught fire. It wasn't huge, but it was enough. Enough to damage machines, enough to stop income, enough to shake stability. Insurance would take time. Money was already tight. That night, Armaan saw something in his father's eyes. Not anger, not sadness, exhaustion. The next morning, Armaan wrote an email. He declined the internship. His friends called him foolish. "You're throwing away your future." Maybe he was, or maybe he was building a different one. Armaan started working full-time in the repair shop. But he didn't just repair. He observed. He watched how customers behaved. He noticed what services were missing. He studied online at night. Months passed. He redesigned the shop's signboard. He created a small social media page. He offered pickup and drop services. People laughed at first. Who will book a repair shop online? But slowly, orders increased. Nearby towns started calling. Within 2 years, the small repair shop became a service center. Within 4 years, Armaan opened a second branch. The same town that once said, "It is what it is," now said, "He changed things." One evening, Armaan stood on the terrace again. The highway light still glowed in the distance, but something felt different. They were no longer calling him, because he had built his own light. A young boy from the neighborhood came up to him. "Bhaiya, I want to leave this town," the boy said. Armaan smiled. "Leave if you must," he said softly. "But don't run because you think staying means losing." The boy looked confused. Armaan continued. "Sometimes growth means going out. Sometimes growth means digging deeper where you stand." Armaan was invited to speak at a local youth event. He stood on a small stage in the same town. The crowd was filled with 18 to 25-year-olds, just like he once was. He didn't talk about success. He didn't talk about money. He said only this: "Your life will give you doors. Some will lead you away. Some will ask you to stay. Neither choice is weak, but make sure the decision is yours, not fear's." The room was silent, not because they didn't understand, but because they did.